name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and commercial litigation in Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and Pennsylvania. And today I'm going to answer the question, should I file my own bankruptcy case? Now, you'll notice that I ask that question as a should, not as a can I, because individuals can file their own bankruptcy cases. And in fact, every year in Maryland, approximately 10 to 11% of people do file their own cases. We call them pro se debtors. Now, the real question is, should I? And there are some factors to determine whether or not you should file your case. First, do you have property? Do you have a house? Do you have money in the bank? Do you have stocks or bonds or an IRA? Or do you have home furnishings? If you got any kind of property, you probably shouldn't file your own bankruptcy case because you want to make sure that you can keep that property. The second question is, do you have transfers that you've made in the last few years? That's another important question because under the right circumstances, a trustee can sue the people that you transferred cash or property to. So if you've got any kind of transfers in the last few years, you probably should have a lawyer take a look at it. But finally, the last question is anybody going to say that I shouldn't get a bankruptcy discharge or that their claims shouldn't be discharged in bankruptcy? If the answer to that question is yes, you should definitely talk to an attorney ahead of time so that you can get the right advice for proper planning and guidance. Bankruptcy cases need to be carefully planned. It's not the kind of thing where you just fill out some forms, file them with the court, and then get a discharge. There's a process that you have to go through. That's why they call it a petition in bankruptcy, because you are petitioning the court to grant you a discharge, and everything has to be done properly for you to keep your property and obtain a discharge. My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and commercial litigation. And if you have a question about whether or not you should file a bankruptcy on your own, please give me a call. I would love to hear from you.